Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for Cultural Club program business. Suppose as the owner of Cultural Club program business, I use AI assistant to share event schedule, send reminders and answering query. We can automate this process with the help of AI agent. When user send a message, the AI assistant automatically replies. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create AI assistant for your cultural club program business. First of all, let me show you the AI assistant setup and we also know how it responds. So this is AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, styling. With the help of this feature, we are going to create our AI assistant. Firstly, we check responses and after that we learn how we can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Simply open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I need help. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. After that, I am typing, can you provide workshop and classes? After typing, I am getting another response. Now I am typing, please provide me event calendar. After typing, you will see I am getting another response. So you will see I am getting one by one responses through AI agent. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. Furthermore, I show you firstly Pabbly business community. Join Pabbly community and grow your business with great leaders. If you have any query or stuck somewhere else on automations, feel free to ask our great leaders and connect one-to-one by using Pabbly community. You can also ask queries like this and get instant solution by using Pabbly community. So just simply click on join Pabbly community and make connections with great leaders. Further, we move on and learn how we create AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Simply we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we simply click on AI assistant. Now we are going to create our AI assistant. Simply click on add AI assistant and enter assistant name, AI assistant for your cultural club program business. Now simply click on add AI assistant. After clicking, we have an interface like this. Now we simply set up our AI assistant. We have an option AI instructions. Simply select the instruction AI agent. After selecting AI agent, provide instructions. After that, we have an option AI configuration and set the temperature 0.5. We keep it as it is for better clearance. After that, we have an option select AI to use, open AI and select the model GPT 4.1. After that, we have an option API token. Simply click on open AI API API key page and generate the API token. Simply click on create new secret key and write a name of our business, Cultural Club Program Business, and select the project default project and simply click on create secret key. After clicking, we are successfully generating our API token. Simply click on copy and paste in our API token section and simply click on connect. After clicking connect, we have an pop-up message, OpenAI key saved successfully. After that, we have an option, AI assistant settings, header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt, fallback message. So here is our fallback message. We can also customize these all settings according to our needs. Now we have an option, knowledge source. Now in this, we upload the knowledge source in TXT format. Simply click on it. So here you see we are successfully upload our knowledge source in the TXT format. And what is knowledge source? I'll show you the overview of our knowledge source which I generated. Knowledge source is the summary of our business which helps AI assistant to answer the user's query. Now we have an option assistant interface. Now we enter header display heading name according to our needs, Cultural Club Program Business. So here you see also changes in our WhatsApp interface. Now we have an option header display subheading name. We are online and happy to assist you. Now we have another option initial message, display the powered by Pabbly label. Now in this we have an option enable or disable. We keep it as it is enable. And now we have an option footer text, footer link, user first message. We can customize this message according to our need. Now we have an option styling. Simply click on it and we can also changes in our WhatsApp interface like theme mode, light and dark, assistant shape, assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button color, and header profile picture, assistant profile picture, background pictures. We can customize easily according to our needs. Now we simply enable the toggle button and click on save AI assistant. After clicking you will see we are successfully saved AI assistant. Now we go back to our inbox section and simply add AI assistant on our WhatsApp. So we are successfully adding AI assistant on our WhatsApp. Now we simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and check is it working or not. Now I am typing how to participate. After typing, I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any query, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.